Hello friends, I know you're in a hurry, so I'm going to be very brief with this. Now, you're looking for that present you forgot. You bought presents for everyone, except Jamie. You forgot the present for Jamie. Oh, what am I going to do? Here, I'm going to give you an easy, fast solution for that. A present we all need, but we don't have where to find it. We can make it ourselves. We all have a cell phone. We all have these cables and things that we use to listen to music or hand-free when we're driving, but they're all tangled up. We put them in our pocket, in a briefcase, and they end up all tangled up, and we have a problem to get them out. Now the thing is, we can organize these. It's an easy way so they aren't tangled up, and we can use them and put them away easily. And that can be an excellent present, because there's no product like that in the market, or very difficult to get. Now, what we need is a bit of cloth, thick, like old jeans. We cut a piece out. It doesn't have to be like this. Can be round, can be like this, huh? It also could be a bit of leather, a bit of old soft leather. Then we are going to surround our cables like this. We can make a pair of cutouts behind there so we can put it on our belt, or we can just drill little holes to hang it next to our cell phone. And what we're going to use to hold it in place there, so we close it and open it to get the cables out and use them, we're going to stick some Velcro there. Where do we find the Velcro? We can buy it, but we're in a hurry. We don't have the option of going around looking for presents and buying Velcro and then coming back home and doing it. No. We all have an old suitcase for our notebook, and old notebook suitcases all have Velcro inside. These things are Velcro, and it's an old suitcase. We can tear it out and cut some pieces there to use it as the method to hold our cables together. So let's go and do it. We cut a part of the male and a part of the female. We're going to stick it on here, or this one. It can be also better, this one. And now we can use neoprene to stick these pieces together, but neoprene isn't very tough, so probably we should sew the pieces on as well as sticking it. So, as it isn't very good, I suggest using the other kind of adhesives that have a resin on one side and a hardener on the other. So, we put a bit of resin here and the same amount of hardener, and then we mix them together. We put a good bit of the adhesive on each part, on the male and on the female, and we leave it there for 10 minutes at least. Full hardness will be achieved in about 16 hours, but with 10 minutes it's okay. And by the time we get to the to the party where we have to give our present, it'll be hard enough. Well, I hope you liked my present, a holder for the cables of the headset of a mobile phone. If you like this video, please remember give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.